Hello! The FDA has now approved the use of Juvederm Voluma for use in the temple hollows. Now, this product has been around for a long time, and in fact, it completely revolutionized our field in the injection industry because historically, when we looked at hyaluronic acid fillers or HA fillers, they're almost always done in the nasolabial fold or down in the lower face. And now, when the first application of Juvederm Voluma came out, it was for cheeks, the first FDA approval. And essentially, we went really kind of all in on re-injecting the face up here instead and kind of reshaping the face, lifting the cheek, and somehow effacing some of this with that filler. It completely changed how we thought about fillers. And it has done that for a number of years and has performed exceptionally well. The second application or FDA approval came for chins and chin augmentation. And again, more of a face shaping idea where we're taking faces that tend to get kind of square or even kind of rhomboid as we age. And we start to bring them back more into that inverted triangle of youth that we know goes along with a nice kind of fresh, vital look to a face. Now, this study was done with 112 patients. They graded them from 1 to 4 as far as the severity of their hollowing. And what they found was in over 80% of the cases, they had significant greater than 1 improvement or 1 point improvement in their grading scale with either one or a series of injections. So it was significant, but if you are going through this or consider going through this, keep in mind that they were done, and the original study was done with more than 1 event possibly and more than 1 syringe. So you may need that in your case as well. What they also then did was they asked their patients, they surveyed them, what did they think about things? And somewhere between 60 and 85% of the time, they thought their face looked more rested, more youthful, more vital, more symmetric. So again, they really liked what they saw as well. Now, there was also some kind of issues or considerations as well, and that is that they found that in 59% of the cases, those patients also had a treatment event where they had usually tenderness in the area, which again makes sense because it's a muscle, it's a bigger muscle, it's an active muscle. We use it when we bite down and chew. So a lot of those patients would have some tenderness, but the good news with that, of course, is that it tended to resolve within only about 3 days. So again, not bad at all. So anyway, otherwise very, very well tolerated, no other significant side effects. So if you felt like you're having some problems with some temple hollowing or some facial balance there, it's a great product. We've been doing it for a while, but it's a great new one to get FDA approval for you to consider for facial balance and harmony, because again, that's really what we're looking for in this industry.